So I haven't posted anything in a long time, so I thought this would be my first post for the 2019 haunt season. And I found this cool rain barrel, water barrel at a garage sale for $5. And I know a lot of people take them apart and turn them into toxic waste. And so instead of making toxic waste, I didn't have a scene for that, so I decided I'm going to make it laughing gas for the clowns. I'm going to drill a hole somehow in the bottom down here so I can put a fog machine on the outside because I know they get hot, but the directed fog will go inside here and fill it up. And I hope that it would come out on the top here. And then maybe have painted on the side some bubbles and write laughing gas, and then you can have the clown going or whatever he's going to do, and get the gas to come up as the tractor drives by or people walk by or whatever it's going to be. So a really fast tutorial on just how I'm going to do that, and I'll show you how the effect turns out at the end. Again, if this doesn't work, then I'll have a crappy video. If not, we'll just have fun making it. So the first things first is I cleaned it off. It's still a little wet. There's some stuff inside. But I cleaned it, and I'm leaving it white because I want it to light up. But I'm going to write laughing gas on it and just paint it. I also have another idea of one side being laughing gas and the other side being toxic waste. So whatever scene you feel like you want to use, you can use it for that scene. That's another idea I thought about doing. But first, laughing gas. So what I'm doing right now is I used a Sharpie and I marked a square on this to cut out an area where I'm going to put a light. I really like these projection lights. You can find them anywhere now. You can find them on Amazon, any hardware store. They're everywhere. So there's fire and ice. There's all sorts of different ones, but I'm just going to slip one of these inside of here to light it up. So that's why I'm measuring where to cut it. So the hot knife wasn't really working, but it did make a nice groove to make a track for the jigsaw. So I'm going to try a jigsaw, and I put it on for plastic, and I hope this works. Here we go. I'm going to sit on it. Here we go. And so far, I don't think it's going to work. All right, I used a jigsaw and that didn't work. It just bounced, as you could see. But right here is what results with the hot knife. I'm just burning into the plastic, so I have some grooves, but I also did some holes here. So at least I have something to start with, and now I'm actually going to use a Dremel. So wish me luck. Hi, Max. Just scared me. Well, it works. It's ugly, but it works. This thing works great, you guys. Woohoo! Look at that. I'm going to paint laughing gas with neon paint colors because they'll glow in the black light, and I might do some like little bubbles on it or something, and that way when the tractor goes by you'll be able to read it with the black light lighting up the neon paints. And so that's my next step. there it is, laughing gas. I'm gonna go over it one more time and then outline it with the black paint pen, and we're gonna test it out. So excited. Again, this whole project cost me $5. If you already have a projection light, I think those are $9.99. I got my fog machine at a garage sale for like a couple bucks. This is leftover neon paint that I used on another project, so in all, the project is probably really, really cheap. If you have to go out and buy all that stuff, it'd probably be a $30 project, as long as you can find this thing pretty cheap. And like I said, you could do toxic waste, so you could spray paint the toxic waste with the yellow caution sign, or that, my mind went with the warning sign, I can't think of what, the hazardous material label, and then you can get your spray foam and like go on the top like it's spilling out, and you can do that as well. I'm just trying something different.